Assam Public Service Commission APSC has dropped the controversial question pertaining to the recently held APSC Agricultural Development Officer ADO exam 2025 conducted on 10th August following strong opposition. The contentious question appeared in General Studies Paper 1, question number 95, which allegedly portrayed Arambai Tengol and Meitei Lipun as responsible for rights abuse in the Manipur crisis. Meitei Heritage Society MHS accused APSC of bias and unfairly portraying Meitei community, to which APSC Chairman Debraj Upadhyay clarified that the questions are prepared by subject experts and arrive in a sealed manner. Recognizing the sensitivity of the issue, APSC stated via email that the Commission has decided to drop, delete, cancel question number 95. Welcoming the decision, the MHS described it as a step in the right direction but urged the Commission to exercise greater caution in the future. The group added that this incident reveals a deeper issue and the need for scrutiny when questions touch upon ongoing ethnic or political conflicts.